Did you know you can make up to $10,000 per month on TikTok? Yes, that's right, and we're going to show you how. Welcome to the world of TikTok, a platform that has taken the digital realm by storm, boasting over 1 billion global users. It's not just a place for catchy dance routines and viral challenges, it's a goldmine of opportunities, a platform where creativity meets monetization. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or a budding influencer, there are multiple avenues to generate income tailored to your niche and goals. So, gear up. Stay tuned to discover the 7 ways you can make money on TikTok in 2024. First up, we have the TikTok Creator Fund. This is a fantastic opportunity for all you creative minds out there. The Creator Fund is essentially a pool of cash, set up by TikTok, to financially support its talented creators. It's like a pat on the back from TikTok saying, "Hey, you're doing great, here's a little something for your efforts." So, how does it work? Well, it's pretty straightforward. TikTok calculates your earnings based on several factors, including the number of views your videos get, engagement from your followers, and the region in which you're posting. The more engaging your content, the more you stand to earn. Now, you might be thinking, that sounds great, but how do I get in on this? To apply for the Creator Fund, you need to meet a few requirements. First, you must be at least 18 years old. Second, you need to have a minimum of 10,000 followers, and have accrued at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days. Last but not least, you must be located in a region where the Creator Fund is available. Bear in mind these numbers are not set in stone. They might vary slightly depending on the region and any updates to TikTok's policies, so it's always a good idea to check the official TikTok guidelines for the most accurate information. As for potential earnings, they can vary significantly. Some creators report earning a few dollars a day, while others may make hundreds or even thousands. The key is to produce engaging content that resonates with your audience. The more views and engagement your videos receive, the more you'll earn. So, are you ready to take the plunge? With a dash of creativity, a pinch of dedication, and a sprinkling of hard work, you too can start making money on TikTok. Remember, the Creator Fund is just one of the many ways to monetize your content on this platform. So, get creative and start earning with the TikTok Creator Fund. Next, let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing. Welcome to the realm where the synergy of creativity and commerce comes alive. Affiliate marketing, my friends, is a brilliant way to monetize your TikTok presence. But what exactly is it, you ask? It's pretty straightforward. You partner with a company or brand, promote their products or services on your TikTok videos, and earn a commission for each purchase made through your unique affiliate link. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn money while sharing the things you love with your followers. But how do you find companies to partner with? Well, there are numerous affiliate networks out there like ClickBank, ShareASale, and Amazon Associates, where you can find a multitude of products that align with your content and audience. Remember, the key here is to choose products or services that resonate with your content and your followers. Promoting a gardening tool on a tech gadget channel? That's a mismatch. You want to promote products that your followers will genuinely find valuable. Now, how do you promote these products effectively? It's all about weaving the promotion seamlessly into your content. You could create a tutorial with the product, do an unboxing, or simply incorporate it naturally into your videos. The goal is to make your promotion feel less like an ad and more like a recommendation from a friend. And of course, always disclose that you're using affiliate links. Transparency builds trust. And trust leads to more clicks on your affiliate links, which means more revenue for you. So, are you ready to transform your TikTok followers into a revenue stream? With the right strategy and a dash of creativity, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative way to leverage your TikTok presence. With affiliate marketing, you can turn your TikTok followers into a revenue stream. Now let's talk about sponsored posts. Sponsored posts are a fantastic way for TikTok creators to earn money. But how do you get these lucrative deals, and what do you need to know to make the most of them? Let's dive right in. First things first, to attract sponsors, you need to have a substantial following. Brands are always on the lookout for influencers who can help them reach a wider audience. So, focus on creating engaging and unique content that resonates with your followers. The bigger your audience, the more attractive you become to potential sponsors. Once you've built a significant following, sponsors will likely start reaching out to you. But don't sit and wait for them. Be proactive. Reach out to brands that align with your content and your audience's interests. Craft a compelling pitch highlighting your follower count, engagement rate, and how a partnership could benefit them. Now let's talk about negotiation. When a brand approaches you, or you approach a brand, you'll need to negotiate the terms of the deal. This includes the number of posts, the type of content, and of course, the payment. Be confident in your value as an influencer, and don't be afraid to ask for what you think you're worth. However, it's crucial to maintain your authenticity while promoting products. Your followers trust you, and you don't want to break that trust by promoting a product you don't believe in. Be selective about the brands you work with, and make sure their products align with your values and those of your audience. Also, always disclose sponsored posts to maintain transparency, and abide by the guidelines set by TikTok and the Federal Trade Commission. A simple #ad or #sponsored tag goes a long way in maintaining your credibility. Finally, keep track of your sponsored post's performance. This will not only help you improve your future content, but also provide valuable data to show potential sponsors. Remember, sponsored posts can be a great way to monetize your TikTok account while providing valuable content to your followers. Ever dreamt of being a brand ambassador? Well, TikTok can make that dream a reality. Let's delve into the world of brand ambassadorships, a lucrative avenue that can turn your TikTok fame into a substantial income. But first, what does being a brand ambassador entail? Simply put, it means you represent a brand in a positive light, creating a strong association between you and the brand. In essence, you become the face of the brand, albeit in the digital sphere. Now, you might be wondering, how do I become a brand ambassador? The process is easier than you might think. Brands are constantly on the lookout for individuals who can effectively communicate their message to a broader audience. If you have a substantial following on TikTok, and your content aligns with a brand's values and aesthetics, you're already halfway there. The next step is reaching out to brands or waiting for them to come to you. You can approach brands directly via their official websites or through influencer marketing platforms. Remember to showcase your content and explain why you would make a great ambassador for their brand. But how do you choose the right brand to represent? It's crucial to select a brand whose products or services resonate with you and your followers. Partnering with a brand that you genuinely appreciate will make your promotional posts more authentic and engaging. The benefits of being a brand ambassador are multifold. Aside from earning money, you can also gain access to free products, exclusive discounts, and even invites to special events. The exposure you get from collaborating with brands can also lead to more followers and higher engagement on your posts. Moreover, brand ambassadorships can open doors for more opportunities. You can leverage your experience and connections to explore other areas of influencer marketing or even start your own brand. In a nutshell, becoming a brand ambassador on TikTok is a win-win situation. You get to monetize your influence, engage with your followers in new ways, and enjoy the perks that come with representing a brand you love. Brand ambassadorship can not only earn you money but also open doors for more opportunities. Selling accounts? Yes, it's a thing on TikTok and it can be quite lucrative. Now you might be wondering, how does one sell a TikTok account? Well, it's all about building a strong follower base and engaging content. The more followers and engagement you have, the more value your account holds. You begin by identifying a niche, something you are passionate about. This could be anything from fashion, travel, cooking to tech reviews. Next, consistently create and share content that resonates with your chosen audience. As you grow your followers, you increase the value of your account. Now you must be thinking, isn't selling TikTok accounts illegal? The answer is not quite. While TikTok's terms of service do not explicitly allow for the sale of accounts, they don't strictly prohibit it either. It's a bit of a gray area. However, one must always proceed with caution and consider ethical implications. Once your account has gained traction, you can put it up for sale on various online platforms. There are dedicated websites and forums where you can connect with potential buyers. But remember, the price of your account will depend on many factors such as your follower count, engagement rate, and the niche of your content. Potential earnings from selling accounts can vary widely. An account with a few thousand followers might fetch a few $100s, while an account with 1 million followers can go for several $1,000s. However, let's not forget that this method requires time and effort. Growing a TikTok account with a significant following isn't something that happens overnight. It requires dedication, creativity, and a keen understanding of what your audience wants. In conclusion, selling TikTok accounts can be a viable way to make money, but it's not a quick fix. It requires consistent effort and a strategic approach. But if done right, it can yield significant returns. So if you have the patience and the creativity, why not give it a try? Selling accounts can be quite a profitable venture if done right. Time to shine bright like a diamond. Let's talk about how to collect diamonds on TikTok. Now you may be wondering, what are these diamonds we're talking about? Well, on TikTok, diamonds are virtual gifts that you can receive from your fans while live streaming. It's TikTok's way of allowing your followers to show their appreciation and support. So how does one earn diamonds, you ask? It all starts with engaging your audience through live broadcasts. Once you're live, your viewers have the option to send you virtual gifts, which are bought with coins, another in-app currency. These gifts range from simple emojis to luxury items, each having different diamond values. When your fans send you these gifts during your live stream, they get converted into diamonds in your account. Now here's the exciting part. These diamonds aren't just for show, you can actually convert them into real cash. Yes, you heard that right. TikTok allows you to exchange your diamonds for money, which can then be withdrawn through PayPal or other available options. However, keep in mind that to start earning diamonds, you need to have at least 1,000 followers and be over 16 years of age. So if you're not there yet, focus on growing your audience first. Also, remember that the key to earning more diamonds is to create engaging, high-quality content that resonates with your audience. The more your viewers enjoy your live streams, the more likely they are to send you gifts. So make your live sessions fun, interactive, and worth their while. Let's not forget that collecting diamonds also requires consistency. The more often you go live, the more opportunities you create for your fans to send you gifts. So, make a schedule, stick to it, and let your fans know when they can catch you live. To sum it up, collecting diamonds on TikTok is a fantastic way to monetize your content and get rewarded for your creativity and hard work. It's about building a strong community, engaging with your fans, and providing value in return. So, start collecting diamonds and watch your earnings grow. Last but not least, one of the most profitable ways to earn on TikTok is by promoting your own business. Now you might be wondering, how do I use TikTok to promote my business? Well, the answer is simpler than you might think. First, you need to create a business account. This gives you access to TikTok's built-in analytics, allowing you to track your performance and understand your audience better. Once you've set up your business account, it's time to start creating content. Creating engaging content for your business isn't just about showcasing your products or services. It's about telling a story. Think about what makes your business unique and use that to create content that resonates with your audience. Show behind-the-scenes footage, share customer testimonials, or even create a challenge related to your business. Remember, creativity is key on TikTok. It's not just about selling, it's about engaging with your audience and building a community around your brand. Once you've got your content sorted, it's time to convert your viewers into customers. One of the best ways to do this is by using TikTok's shopping feature, which allows you to link your products directly to your TikTok videos. This feature makes it easy for viewers to go from watching your video to purchasing your product, all without leaving the app. But remember, promoting a business on TikTok isn't a one-size-fits-all approach. What works for one business might not work for another. It's all about testing different strategies, analyzing your results, and adapting your approach based on what works best for your business and your audience. Promoting your business on TikTok can boost your sales and increase your visibility in the market. So, why wait? Start promoting your business on TikTok today and watch as your business grows and thrives. And there you have it, 7 ways to make money on TikTok in 2024. We've journeyed through the Creator Fund, dived into affiliate marketing, and explored the potential of sponsored posts. We've also discussed brand ambassadorships, the lucrative business of selling accounts, collecting diamonds, and how promoting businesses could be your ticket to success. Each of these strategies provides a unique opportunity to turn your creativity into income. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to harness the power of TikTok and start earning. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, keep creating and keep earning.